How to use Lightroom app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Lightroom easily and fast. First thing, go to the app. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is click here to upload a new photo from gallery, and after you upload it, it will take you here. Now click on it and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will need to go down to edit your photo. Right here you will find many options, as you can see. For example, you can crop your photo from here, as you can see, and click save. And you can also edit the colors from here, as you can see easily. And you have many other options to edit between. You have for example, again here, the detail, the sharpening, like this. And after you finish editing your photo, now what you have to do is simple. Go to the top right here and click on this save option, and as you can see, you can click here or click here on this share and click save to device. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.